Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Alfio Sofyan, and today I want to present my proposal titled Analysis Politeness Strategies in American Television Story Series The Big Bang Theory. The first chapter we have is the background of the study. Spoken communication is created through dialogue in variety social context. Spoken communication involves a minimum two participants, a speaker and a hearer. The speaker wants to listen to understand specific meaning, while the hearer attempts to understand the speaker meaning through their spoken word. The speaker and the hearer should be able to express and comprehend each other's feelings and ideas and desires. One of the central concepts is the politeness. Politeness is the way people save other people face and feeling in communication. The stereotype also makes people think that being polite means keeping a distance, being dishonest, and being unfeeling between the speaker and the hearer. Politeness may reflect a person's character and reveal their level of goodness. We can gauge someone's civility by their attitude and speech. In general, attitude refers to the mind. Humans tend to identify some characteristics of their surroundings, permanent and difficult to change. Attitude serves to safeguard and promote a person's self-image, which is impacted by surroundings. Humans speak to express facts and opinion and feeling. Let's go to the statement of the problem. There are two statements of the problem in this proposal, which are what are the functions of politeness strategy and what are kind of politeness strategy found in the Big Bang Theory. The next one is scope and limitation. The scope of this research is pragmatic, limited by focusing on analyzing the politeness strategy using Brown and Levinson theory. The next one is objective of the study. To know the kind of politeness strategy found in American television series The Big Bang Theory. The first one, to know the kind of politeness strategies found in American television series The Big Bang Theory. The second one, to know the meaning of using politeness strategy in the American television series The Big Bang Theory. The next one is function of the study. There are two functions of the study. The first one, function of the study is theoretical function. This research is effective to enhance the knowledge of pragmatic, especially in politeness strategy, to help understand the meaning of message in this series. The second one, and the last one, we have the practical function of the study. So the result of this study are expected to provide readers with information on how to use politeness strategy in social life, and the series is a tool for understanding this strategy and applying them in real life. The next one is related studies. There are three related studies for this proposal. The first one is Mahmoud, with a title The Analysis of Politeness Strategy between Moana and Maui in the Moana cartoon movie. The second one is Meg Aditya Warman, the use of politeness strategy in classroom context by English university student. The last one is the politeness strategy used in the movie The Chronicle of Narnia. The main difference between the three aforementioned study is their objective that they use. Okay, next one is review of literature. Review of literature contains a discussion that provides an overview of the scope of politeness strategy from pragmatic. Okay, the first one is pragmatic. Pragmatic is the study of meaning and context. Pragmatic is the study of meaning in context. Therefore, pragmatic study can be said to study of the speech delivered in direct or indirect speech. Levinson defines that the study of pragmatic focuses the relation between language and context that tend grammaticalize and encode in the language structure. Based on the definition, it can be said that pragmatic focus on how people use language, interpret with context in particular way. So the next one is politeness. Many academics have defined politeness in different ways, like Skupin and Agatha refer politeness as a form of honorification and honorific. Therefore, the essence of politeness is to show respect for others. Saviano formulate politeness as a means to restrain feeling and emotion to avoid conflict. Holmes view politeness as formal and distancing behavior, which does not interrupt and impose. Therefore, to be polite is persistent with respect. Okay, so the next one is politeness strategy. The politeness strategy proposed by sociolinguist Penelope Brown and Stephen Levinson in the 1970s explore how people navigate social interaction to maintain positive and social relations while respecting each other face or public self-image. Politeness is essentially how individuals manage that their interaction to uphold social harmony and avoid causing offense and discomfort to others. It shows that everyone has sense of self-worth and belief that if we value them highly, they will be satisfied, while if we undervalue them, they will become upset. Okay. So the next one is build on strategy. According to Brown and Levinson, build on records is a method that communicating ideas effectively and simply. With this method, the speaker attempts to communicate with the listener unambiguously. The next one is positive politeness strategy. According to Brown and Levinson, positive politeness technique try to reach to the hearer positive face or self-image. Making the hearer feel satisfied with the task is the main goal of this strategy. Okay, the next one is negative politeness strategy. According to Brown and Levinson, negative politeness aims to address the hearer's negative face and minimize cohesion or threats to the hearer. This method empowers listeners by reducing pressure and allowing them to behave freely. Okay, the last one is off-record strategy. Brown and Levinson state that off-record strategy is a communicative act that is done such a way that it's not possible to attribute one clear communicative intention to the act. So the next one is the theoretical framework. Theoretical framework is to define politeness strategies in the series and analyze them using Brown and Levinson theory. Last, we have Chapter 3. I am going to explain the approach of the study. So the approach of the study is qualitative descriptive approach to the analysis and gather the most relevant data. There are two data collection methods for this study: watch and read all the season of the first one is watch and read all of the Big Bang Theory and cite the most relevant utterance. The second one is identify and analyze politeness strategy and utterance by some the character. So the next one is data source. Data source, I have gathered the data from all the season of the Big Bang Theory. The last one is data analysis. Categories the kind of politeness strategies, which are positive politeness strategy, negative politeness strategy, off-record strategy, and bulk on-record strategy. The second one is identify conclusion based on the analysis data. Terus apa lagi nih habis the analysis data? That's all from me. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening from the start and until the end of the presentation. So I say thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.